This is our Nordica stove. The model's Millie, and we bought the warmer with it. It's the only one available with a warmer as an option, I think, when we bought ours. We bought ours in February of 2022. We talked to Grills and Ovens in Ontario in February, and within a few weeks we had a stove at our doorstep. The stove is very heavy. We ended up building around our stove, so our room isn't quite done yet, but we poured the cement, put the stove on here, and then built the sun porch around it. And our donkeys got in and broke the plate on the bottom, is why it's broke. Anyways, we use this on a daily basis to heat our house. The house is 1,500 square feet and our porch is 400. We use fans to distribute the heat around. Right now we aren't using it 24 hours a day through the night, but we stuff the wood box at night before we go to bed, and it lasts 3 hours of flame and coals, and then we restart it in the morning. There's 2 dampeners on this stove. There's one down on the bottom here for letting air into the firebox, one up top. The firebox on this oven is huge, and that's why we really like it. We like to watch the fire at night. Just sitting by the warm stove is nice. I'm cooking Dutch oven bread in the oven right now. And thought I'd make a cup of tea while we're on this video. It boils really quick on this stove. We also got the fan to blow heat around in the porch here. It works quite well. I'll show you here this is how big the firebox is. We put an average of 16-inch length in there. We're burning cedar right now, but we're getting loads of birch here right away. The firebox, or the ash box, we empty every other day or so. It's big, but we just like to keep it empty.